Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com. I'm in my car at the moment with my family. We are about to go to check out garden tour, which I'm very excited about. But of course, right now I'm sharing recipe first. And for today's recipe, it is Nutella Cross Buns. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So this is 3/4 cup of lukewarm almond milk with 1/4 cup of sugar and 1¼ teaspoon of active dry yeast. Mix it and let it rest for 10 minutes. So this is 3½ cup of flour with a pinch of salt. Mix it, and then we're gonna add in 1/4 cup of sunflower oil with 1/2 cup of tomato paste, and followed with our bloom yeast. Now we're gonna mix this until it form a nice dough. First, we're just gonna use our spoon, wooden spoon, and then we're gonna knead with our hand again until it form a nice dough. And you can add more flour if needed, 1/4 cup at a time. And I almost forgot to mention 1 egg white. You may have to, if your bowl is small like mine, you may have to dump the mixture on a clean surface. Cover with cling wrap and let rest for 40 minutes to 1 hour. The dough nicely risen or doubled in size, and then we're gonna divide this per 100 grams and fill it with our Nutella. So again, just flatten it and seam to seal. Bring all sides to center and seam to seal, shaping a round bun. If it's easy for you on clean surface, to shape into round like so, and place it on our pan like so. Now this is 1 yolk with a little water, like 2 tablespoons of water. Just mix and brush your bun with it. So what I have here is flour and water. We're just gonna make a paste. Add in a little bit of that yolk mixture we have. Not too much, just a little bit to help make a nice paste. And then with this paste, we're gonna make a cross buns. Like so, just simple. Like so. Now preheat your oven, 375 Fahrenheit, and we're gonna bake this for 20 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. Again, for 20 to 22 minutes.